Don't come to Quartzsite if you're looking for a job.
Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out why.
What up, everybody?
What up, what up?
I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
We are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
A couple of free birds who decided to sell everything and live full-time in a classy motorhome.
In order to find a purpose beyond parenting.
Seek adventures.
And reignite passions.
So come along as we figure out this nomad lifestyle.
And hopefully we can inspire you to
feel the free.
Love our life!
Yeah.
So don't forget to smack that subscribe button.
Karate chop that notification bell to see when all our videos drop. Don't miss a thing.
Don't, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let's go!
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Let's show you what it looked like when we got here. Oh, can't see with these things.
I know. You can't even look at.
How do you see with these things?
How are you gonna even? How did these even work? Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Holy crap.
Holy mackerel.
They actually do work.
Holy balls, Batman.
Dude, I can see it.
Yeah, I can see it too.
I wonder if they could see it. Let me see. Oh my gosh.
That's good.
Look at that, guys.
That's cool.
This circle is almost complete.
Off to Tyson Wells.
So we're in Quartzite. And we're happy.
Actually, we are. As many problems as we had.
We still feel blessed.
Yeah.
We ended up at Ken's Dollar Mart. If you don't know about this place in Quartzsite, you are missing out.
Oh.
We just scored on all kinds of stuff. I swear retail, it probably would have been maybe over $100. We spent $10. There's a dollar store and there's a regular store.
Yeah.
Ah, jaywalking!
Would this be considered Jay running?
Wow. Look how empty Tyson Wells is right now.
Holy mackerel.
This place is going to be full
Oh my God.
in about a month. Like packed.
Like packed. You don't even know. If you've never seen Quartzsite, you've never heard about it, wait.
Oh my gosh, it's going to be
Wait.
crazy over here.
Yeah. It's gonna be
We're going to go over
absolutely
here.
bananas.
Try to go look for the RV parts that we need and our favorite store.
Yeah.
Let's go. We definitely want to get a flag.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, that'd be cool if we had a flag with our logo on it.
How do we do that?
I don't know. I gotta look into that. Oh, my favorite store.
Man, this place pretty much has everything you need. And great deals. Like this right here, 20 pouches of oatmeal. That's usually, that health pointer is usually a pretty expensive box. That's only $3. Score! 6 ingredients, bro. Bam. That's good stuff. The least amount of ingredients possible. That's what you want.
I already got a bunch of goodies.
It has dates and they're sweet.
All right. Got a backpack full of stuff. And a bag. We didn't expect to buy this much. Since we just bought a bunch of crap over there.
I don't know how we do it.
We like snacks.
Yeah, we do.
Even though the tents are empty, There's still a lot going on in Quartzsite. So if you're not looking for a job, then definitely come down. But if you're looking for a job, definitely don't come in October or November. It is now, oh, let's just say
Mid-December.
we couldn't find a job. I haven't got a job yet. He got one job, didn't work out. So if you're looking for a job, do not come. Oh my gosh, the wind is blowing down this way. It's so gross. We are at La Posa South, draining the stank-a-dank tank and the dump, trash, and water. It's all included in the LTVA permit pass to camp out here in La Posa South, North, Tyson Wash, and I believe there's one more other, I can't remember. So after we're done draining the stank-a-dank tank, we are going back to Camp Kickback. So let's go.
Bright sunshiny day.
I know, it's so nice today.
Feels good. Get inside me, vitamin D.
That's what she said.
Oh.